Chilterns MS Centre has been providing vital treatments and support for multiple sclerosis patients and their carers for 30 years.
That's it, lovely.
Up to 300 people a week benefit from the wide range of help available here. Judy has been coming to the centre for over 23 years.
Thank you. See you next week.
Once I was diagnosed, I worked an extra 10 years. And I would only have probably been able to work 5 at the most if it hadn't have been for this place and the difference it's made to me.
Like many members, she benefits from weekly sessions in the hyperbaric oxygen chamber.
I don't know that I've had it, but I know when I haven't had it, because I just don't have that extra lift or something that keeps me awake and able to do things. And it's a terrific benefit. And I don't think I would be where I am today if it hadn't been for all the physio and the oxygen that I benefit so much from.
Since moving into this new building in 2012, the charity has been able to expand the range of treatments on offer.
We use the Wii, which is great for people's balance. We're very fortunate to have a hydrotherapy pool here now, which has been great for our patients because a lot of them love the water and they can do far more in the water than they can do on dry land. We have a programme of classes and individual treatments, depending very much on what the patient requires.
See, I'm usually here twice a week, so I'm a frequent flyer for myself.
I was diagnosed with MS in June 2010. The range of treatments that can be provided here goes far beyond just the normal physio that perhaps people associate with the centre. I don't really like the water, but I love hydrotherapy. Just the sense of being much more stable because you're in water and it supports you. So I can do star jumps in the pool, which I would never attempt to do on land because I'd end up in a heap on the floor.
We try to keep them as absolutely independent, as functional as possible, and we can spot a problem really before it becomes too much of a problem.
Good, that's very good. It's a lot better than when you did it half an hour ago, isn't it? I think your body's learned, hasn't it, how to do this? It's practice.
Yes.
For some people, they have a tendency not to sort of plan ahead.
As well as activities and physiotherapy, the centre also helps people manage their levels of fatigue, which is a common and often debilitating symptom of MS.
Rest and activity, so you get smaller variations in your activity levels. Yeah. Okay.
I think a lot of people think MS is just a terrible disease and people deteriorate, but a lot of our patients have been coming for 15, 20 years and they're still doing the classes, they're still very active, they're still working. We have Saturday morning groups for people who are at work. So there is a lot of hope. There isn't really anything else much on the NHS for them, so I think they come here and it's a real sort of haven of people who understand their MS.
There are so many people here you can talk to, and there's also the carers support group as well, which I think is really, really important not to overlook the impact that a diagnosis of MS would have on the rest of your family.
The Chilterns MS Centre is a community of care for people coming to terms with the debilitating symptoms of multiple sclerosis. It's a positive and encouraging environment full of people who can offer much needed support to patients, their carers and their families.
There's a lot of people who don't know we're here. There's a lot of people with MS who don't know that there's a fantastic resource on their doorstep. I personally have got MS, and it was a life-changing find for me was the MS Centre.